That lady got a husband and 7 kids. And today I'm laying in the bed with my man. And we're finally editing this video. This is from a night when I cooked. What I cooked, babe?
Fish and grits.
I did not make fish and
I mean
grits.
fish and shrimp.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Was it better than me?
Good.
So, anyways, I'm frying these shrimp. I'm just using some regular Louisiana fish fry. And I'm putting just a little bit of shrimp in at a time because I'm not using no deep fryer. To be honest, I prefer to fry foods on the stove. What about you, babe? You like to use a deep freezer deep fryer? A deep fryer? Or you rather just fry on the stove?
I fry everything on the stove.
Same. How you think them shrimp came out?
Yeah, it's good.
They was real good, golden brown. So let me tell y'all a secret. When you fry food, you just want to make sure like you pay attention to the sound of it. And with seafood, especially when you're done frying it, it will start to float to the top. Now we on what? Look, you see how like when you first start frying it, it's a lot of bubbles. You
Oh
see all them bubbles?
no, you're right. They float to the top.
And then when it's
I thought
done,
you was talking about something else. I guess you talking about here how it get quiet.
yeah, so like with the frying sound, it go from being like to like slowing down. The bubbles stop going as fast. Y'all will see. It's like the calm.
Well, what do you want the extra crisp?
Then you just leave them in there a little longer. But if you leave them in there too long, not only are you going to burn the food, but you're going to burn the grease. So for those of you who don't know, I taught my husband how to cook. Everything y'all be seeing, and y'all be like, ooh, would be throwing out. Baby, he learned that from me. Tell him. You tell him.
Hey, come on, man. I'm the best.
You learned that from. You want to have a cook-off who can fry the best fried chicken? I bet you my chicken come out better than yours.
Kill you with fried
Would
chicken.
let's do it. We could do it tonight. You know the kids like fried chicken, but I will
They already told
demolish
you
you.
that. Didn't they tell you that?
I don't remember.
Huh?
I don't recall. So right here we got gorgeous using our new mixer. We ended up making a lemon cake. Anytime we cook seafood, I want lemon cake. It just go with it. Like I gave my husband some fish, some shrimp, and 2 pieces of bread. And this is how our lemon cake came out. I sprayed the bottom of the pan with a lot of Pam. And I melted the icing. I was trying to be all, cute, like how the people be on TikTok.
So
However,
that's why it was stuck together like that. Like,
yeah, I warmed it up too much.
no, it was like, I was like, damn, it ain't look like no
No icing was on it. It looked like more like a glaze, right?
Yeah, but it was good though.
Thank you, Daddy. Everybody enjoyed the meal that night. The lemon cake with the fish came out perfectly. And this part was very soothing. I was just digging in that hole and just spreading that icing all around the cake. Hold on, let me do it again. It was so soothing. I said, ooh, I'm about to go make a cake right now. What kind of cake you want for dinner? What should I cook tonight? I don't know what to
Really
cook.
eat cake. I just
You was eating that cake. You eat my cake.